Unit 2, Digital Equity, presented by Jody Howe. "42% of teachers indicate that their students lack sufficient access to technology outside the classroom. 50% of all students said they were unable to complete a homework assignment because they lacked access to the internet or computer. 88% of respondents stated that affordability was the biggest barrier for families lacking internet access at home. Digital equity defined. ISTE states digital equity as making sure students have equal access to technology like devices, software, hardware, and the internet, and that they have trained educators to help them navigate those tools. St. Mary's has a 1-to-1 student ratio of student-issued Chromebooks for grades 9th through 12th. Class sets of Chromebooks or tablets for pre-K 3 through 8th grades, and students in grades 4 through 8th are allowed personal tablets or Chromebooks to be brought to school. Let's take a look at the components of a 21st century classroom. Technology is undeniably changing the face of education, and it's easy to see the impact already. Imagine what classrooms will be like in 20 years when the speed of technological innovation. Learn more about some of the key advancements in the 21st century classroom. 91% of teachers have computers in their classroom. But both you and I know sometimes technology in the classroom is not utilized. Let's look at this picture of a 21st century classroom and see if you can find things that you can relate to your class. Here at St. Mary's, we have Promethean or smart boards. Students have Chromebooks, tablets. Let's look at the top 3 reasons for teachers to use technology in the classroom. 76% adapt to diverse learning styles. 77% boost student motivation. 76% enhance the material being taught. This is where you're getting that extra help in teaching your lesson. Let's talk about assistive technology. Assistive technology is any device that helps an individual complete a task. Some examples of assistive technology can be grouped into 3 categories: no-tech, low-tech, and high-tech. No-tech, pencil grips, post-it notes, raised line paper, slanted surfaces, covered overlays, tactile letters, magnifying bars, and weighted pencils. Low-tech, buzzers, portable word processors, talking calculators, MP3 players, switches, buzzers, lights, electronic organizers. High-tech, your e-readers, touchscreen devices, word processors, text-to-speech, progress monitoring software are some examples. Adaptive technology. Adaptive technology is a type of assistive technology designed to improve the capability of an individual with a disability. Examples are screen magnifiers, closed caption programs, adaptive keyboards. These are just some examples. How can I use this in my classroom? Let's take a minute and think, how can we use assistive and adaptive technology in our classroom? Writing, research tools, mind mapping, brainstorming, note-taking, communication, reading, time management. These are all ways of using assistive technology. This is the end of Unit 2.